In this video, we're going to see what is retrofit, and we are going to make a wonderful app like this. It shows the now playing movies like The Dog, Think Like the Dog, Trump Card, Red Shoes and the Seven Dwarfs. So many wonderful movies. So now let's begin making the app. The first change you need to do is you need to do it in the Gradle. So let's go to the module app over here, and we'll have to add a few dependencies over here. So let's start adding the dependencies. So why don't we copy it from another file that has all the dependencies? So let's just copy all of them. And now I will get back into control V. And yeah, there are two over here, so it is showing an error. So let's delete it. And I think yeah, let's try to sync it now. So yeah, everything else is right. Let's come to the com and create. So the first one is dates. Hit enter, and then a new one, another new one, and it's a Java class. And then you say movie DB API. Hit enter. And then you say now playing movies. Then now playing movies, let's hit enter. And then the result dot, and then the result, let's do that too. And then, oh yeah, sorry. There is another one called as recycler view adapter. So yeah, now let's begin with the activity main. Over here, there is nothing right. The whole thing that we planned is wrong, and the code that is given by them is wrong. So let's delete it up. And then, actually, let's delete the whole code up other than the version and the encoding. Let's say Android X dot recycler view. Dot widget dot recycler view. So let's hit on the bulb now. Let's say that, let's come down over here. I think something is wrong. Okay, let's just come down and then put the attributes of it. Let's see ID. Okay. So Android is 2. Let's hit Alt Enter first. say id is equal to at id, add plus id, and then I'm naming this as the movie list. Yeah, let's hit on the bulb. For this one, let's say insert. It's not working, I don't know why. Okay, let's just come down and then say width. I'm setting the width to wrap content, and then I'm coming down and setting the height to wrap content. Now it is so I just ended it up. It's still showing an error, add dependency. So it's saying Gradle things. Yeah, it's added. Okay, so we forgot to add that dependency. That doesn't have any problem. Now let's come to the result.java. Over here, let's come down. And the thing I'm doing is I'm copying it from, okay. So let's just write it down at, come down and say at serial at serial name vote count. Okay, so there's a long code over here which cannot be written. I'll be giving that in the description box. So I'm just saying out open recent and fit to, yeah. And over here, let's come to the result.java. Yeah, so this much you're supposed to write. And it's all a simple thing that just says about strings and creates all those stuffs, which is not that important. So let's come back to our retrofit tutorial activity. Yeah, so let's see where's the error. Let's delete this first. Yeah, let's delete this. Yeah, the error is gone. Yeah, this one. So now I'll just that's just about the lists, the IDs, and that's the internal stuff. You think like an internal stuff. Let's come to the recycler view adapter now. And then over here, let's say private list results. The result is it's the list. We are just calling the list over here. That's all, nothing much. So let's hit alt enter, import. Yeah. And then let's say results. Let's end it up, and then let's come down and say private, another private context. Yeah, context. And yeah, you saw another import context, and let's end it up. Let's close this imports. And now let's say public recycler view adapter. Then I'm calling the main activity over here. I'm saying main activity context, comma, list, and then the results. Yeah, the result. And coming out and saying results. So it just says like what you are, like what are those, just like imports. So we're just calling the imports, and then let's put the flower brackets and then say this dot results is equal to results. Yeah, and now let's end it and then say this dot context is equal to context, and this also let's end it. And now, yeah, over here in the recycler view, let's just extend it. Let's say extends recycler view adapter. Then let's put out and then say recycler view adapter dot recycler. Yeah, dot the recycler view holder. The implement methods. Okay. Yeah, and now over here cannot resolve recycler view holder. Come on, man. Alt enter. Interface. Aim. So let's just take this. So we just created a class over here, nothing much. I just clicked on the bulb and then I got class. I just hit alt enter. I'll just be showing you how to do that. So I'll come here, I'll click over here and then say alt enter and then say create class. So first let's delete this one. The public class, let's delete it. Yeah. Yeah. So first let's do it for the recycler view holder. Let's come down here and then say layout with L uppercase. Let's say layout inflator. Inflator. Layout inflator is equal to layout inflator dot from parent dot get. Okay, so this one also parent dot get context. Come down and then say view is equal to inflator dot inflate r dot layout comma the parent comma false. Okay, so over here we are not importing the layout. Rather than the layout, I think it would be better to do the list underscore item. Okay, so something is, it's of course not the ID, but okay, let's just end it up. Click on the bulb. Okay. So let's delete this list underscore item. I just renamed it as list. Yeah, so before this, let's go to list underscore item. So there's something wrong over here. So first let's say implement methods. Yeah, so this is what we wanted, which has the parent. So control X and first delete this up. So let's see. First, let's delete this up. And then go here and then more actions and then implement methods. And then okay. Yeah. Yeah, so let's just first delete this much. And then let's delete the first, we'll have to do this much. Adapter view. Okay, first let's delete this up. Implement methods and then okay, and then over here let's make it as recycler view. Instead of view, let's make it as okay, instead of the adapter, let's make it as holder. Recycler view holder on. Yeah, I think let's delete this up. Over here where it says return. Okay, first let's come here, alt enter. Yeah. Instead of returning null over here, let's return new recycler view holder. Yeah, so let's see what the code is given. I'm just saying return new recycler view holder. Yeah, so this is what I wanted. Okay, so let's just delete this line. We don't need this one. No, no, no. So let's first delete this up. So let's go to that code. The retrofit example 2. Let's come to the the recycler view adapter. Let's just copy this. So I'll be explaining you what is all this, and we'll make a lot of typing errors. So let's just copy this and paste it up. Let's do. uh, Let's do Control V. Yeah, so you saw that? Oh no. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So let's just see what's the code. We are declaring the results over here, and then we are saying what's a recycler view holder. So we are saying that to inflate a layout, and then we are saying the view, and then we are returning a new recycler view holder. And over here it's all about the text and the image URL. From where should we get the image? The card. So let's see. The holder movie title set text to the movie title that is there in the movie DB. And then over here the description to view, to see what's the description in the app. And then the movie URL to the URL over here plus the movie dot get posted path. I'll be I'll be I'll be putting the code, the whole code in the description. Then we are saying to get the image URL, and then we are setting the text to release date, popularity, language of the release date, popularity, and the language. And then we are saying get item count, return result size. The image view, and then the image, movie image, and then we are saying that in the image we'll have to put the movie image variable. And then the text view, movie title, description, and everything we put it over here. What are the text views? And then the recycler view holder. Movie image is equal to this, the title is equal to this, the description is equal to this, the date is equal to this, and so on and so forth. So the now playing movies. Let's copy the dates over here, and video the dates over here. Yeah, so let's just copy the dates and now playing movies. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's go to the retrofit example, and then let's copy the dates. Yeah, now playing movies over here. So this is also the same, the now playing movies, the total results of it, and then all those things. So we can't write the whole code. So this also I'll be uploading it. I'll actually upload the whole project in the description. Let's go to now playing movies. And let's just do Control V. Yeah, hope there is no error. What's the error over here? Expected, okay, but it's there. Another? Okay. Yeah. So this is the now playing movies. Let's come to the dates now. Yeah, let's come to the dates. And now let's copy it. These are the same. Yeah. So let's try to run it now. Yeah, so it'll just show because we didn't write the main activity.java.
Huh?
Can I do the video or no?
ಅದು ಬಾಟ್ನಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Huh? Whole time you got, more you want. Poor actor. Whatever you wish it him still. Stop it.
ఓకే ఒక సొల్లు ఉంది చూసుకొని.
Hi le. One more video ma. Yeah, so I'm in the main activity now. Let's write the code. First, let's say that recycler view. So I'm saying recycler view adapter. So I'm just saying recycler view. Dot layout manager. And then space I'm giving and then saying layout manager. Boolean, I'm saying a boolean and I'm saying I'm naming it as scrolling. I'm setting it to equal to false. And then let's come down and saying int the current items, comma, okay, yeah, the current items, I'm sorry, the scroll, sorry, the scroll out items, comma, the total items. Let's end it. And now let's come down and then say recycler view, and then recycler view with r lowercase. And then let's come inside the void, and let's say recycler view is equal to recycler view, and then I'm saying find view by id r dot id dot movie list. You remember the movie list in the one list items we had created? I'll just show you just a minute. Come, where's my movie list? My movie list. Popularity, the description, okay. We had created the movie list for the list of movies. Now let's end it. Let's do the same for the layout manager. To the layout manager. Okay, the layout manager is equal to new linear layout manager, and then I point out this. I'm ending it, coming down and doing the same for the recycler. I'm setting the layout manager to the recycler view. So I'm saying recycler view is, sorry, I'm saying recycler view dot set layout manager, and I'm pointing out the layout manager. And then I'm gonna say get data. It's a method that I still didn't create. So let's hit on the bulb and then say create method. So inside this get data, we're saying final call, and then I'm saying now playing movies, and then I'm saying now playing movies, no call is equal to movie db api dot get movies dot get now playing movies. Yeah, so that's solved. Now get the movies method. Okay. We'll be seeing that in a minute. Let's end it up. Let's come down. And then I'm saying now playing movies dot enqueue new call back. And then the now playing movies that I told. Okay. Not these, but the. Sorry, it's not these, but call back now playing movies. So the now playing movies is equal to the response dot body. And then I'm saying recycler view. Hey, I think I should I'm just gonna copy this out. So I'm saying recycler view dot set adapt. Okay, let's just copy this line up because we make spelling mistakes. This much. Yeah, that was right actually. Let's just copy it. And then go here and yeah, now let's paste it up. And the get movies. Okay. Let's check it up first. Let's come to the MovieDB API. Let's go and copy it. Then now let's come back and let's paste it. Yeah, now all the errors are gone. You saw? Okay, let me just show you what's this code. We are setting the API key from the moviedb.org and I'm setting the URL, the URL for the movies to the MovieDB, and then I'm saying the public static all movies interface is equal to null, and I'm creating a public static saying all movies interface get movies, and then we get the movies if all movies. Then we go to the next step. It says if all movies is equal to null, then we have set it to null over here. Then retrofit is equal to new retrofit builder, it builds, and then the base URL is equal to this URL, and then the add convictory, it just creates, and then the build all movies interface is equal to retrofit dot create class, return all movie. Over here it just returns, and then the public movie interface, and then now playing, and then the top rated. You can make the top rated or the now playing movies, both would be absolutely fine. And now let's try to rerun it. Yeah, so you saw that the scoop, the inception, and the things. That's great. So now we know what's retrofit.